Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yat. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine. Alhamdulillah. Last week, we have reached our last topic for Unit 8, Amazing Animals. And today, we will make a revision for the entire unit that we have learned before. Our learning objective for today is, by the end of our lesson, people should be able to revise vocabularies and structures learned in previous lessons. Our focus for today is to make a revision on Unit 8, Amazing Animals. Let us revise what we have learned in page 81. In page 81, we have learned about comparative adjective. Do you still remember what is comparative adjective? Comparative adjective. Comparative is perbandingan and adjective is kata sifat. So, comparative adjective is perbandingan sifat seperti lebih tinggi daripada, lebih besar daripada, lebih mahal daripada, dan banyak lagi. We use comparative form to compare people, animals, and things. Kita menggunakan perbandingan untuk membandingkan orang, haiwan, dan benda. The adjective in the comparative form is usually followed by the word than. Kata sifat di dalam perbandingan biasanya diikuti dengan perkataan daripada atau berbanding dengan. There are 4 rules that we have to consider when forming a comparative adjective. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, and rule number 4. First, we have to add er to a single syllable adjective. For examples, first, strong, kuat. Stronger, lebih kuat. We add er to the adjective. Second, small, kecil. Smaller, lebih kecil. We add er to the adjective. For examples, first, my brother is stronger than my friend Amin. Abang saya lebih kuat daripada kawan saya Amin. Second, a cat is smaller than a cup. Anak kucing lebih kecil berbanding anak beruang. Rule number 2, double the consonant. Double the last consonant for one syllable adjective that end in consonant, vowel, consonant. Gandakan konsonan terakhir untuk kata sifat yang berakhir dengan consonant, vocal, consonant. For examples, first, big, besar. Bigger, lebih besar. We double the consonant. Second, thin, kurus. Thinner, lebih kurus. We double the consonant. For examples, first, a hippo is bigger than a tiger. Seekor badak air adalah lebih besar daripada seekor harimau. Second, Ted is thinner than his brother Sam. Ted lebih kurus berbanding adiknya Sam. Rule number 3. Change Y to IER. We change the letter Y at the end of the adjective to IER. Kita menukarkan huruf Y di hujung perkataan kepada IER. For examples, first, heavy, berat. Heavier, lebih berat. We change the letter Y to IER. Second, happy, gembira. Happier, lebih gembira. We change the letter Y to IER. For examples, first, an elephant is heavier than a panda. Seekor gajah lebih berat berbanding dengan seekor panda. Second, the cute girl is happier than the boy. Budak perempuan yang comel itu lebih gembira berbanding dengan budak lelaki itu. Rule number 4. Use more. We add more for some words. Kita tambah perkataan more atau lebih. Adjectives which have 3 or more syllables always form the comparative with more. We use more on adjectives with 3 or more syllables. Here are some examples of 3 syllables word. The word more goes before the adjective, and the adjective remains the same. Adjective with 3 or more syllables. Dangerous, expensive, popular, beautiful, interesting, intelligent, generous, confident, comfortable, difficult, handsome, genuine. First, beautiful, cantik. More beautiful, lebih cantik. We add more in front of the adjective. Second, expensive, mahal. More expensive, lebih mahal. We add more in front of the adjective. For examples, first, Alina is more beautiful than her sister. Alina lebih cantik daripada kakaknya. Second, her house is more expensive than mine. Rumah dia lebih mahal daripada rumah saya. Here are some other examples. First, comfortable, selesa. More comfortable than, lebih selesa daripada. We add more in front of the adjective. Second, is interesting, menarik. More interesting than, lebih menarik daripada. We add more in front of the adjective. Third, is expensive, mahal. More expensive than, lebih mahal daripada. We add more in front of the adjective. Fourth, is popular, terkenal. More popular than, lebih terkenal daripada. We add more in front of the adjective. Let us revise what we have learned in page 84. In page 84, we have learned about similes. Similes are a lot of fun to use. In fact, we probably already use similes maybe without realizing it. You might be wondering, what are similes and how could I use them if I don't even know what they are? Similes are actually a way of comparing things using the words like or as. We compare things all of the time. Here are some examples of similes. As free as a bird, bebas seperti burung. And as busy as a bee, sibuk seperti lebah. As brave as a lion, berani seperti sang singa. And as white as snow, putih seperti salji. Now, let us revise what we have learned in page 86. In page 86, we have learned about animals and their young. First, cow and calf. Cow is the adult and its young is called calf. Second, bear and cub. Bear is the adult and its young is called cub. Third, duck and duckling. Duck is the adult and its young is called duckling. Fourth, hen and chick. Hen is the adult and its young is called chick. Fifth, rabbit and bunny. Rabbit is the adult and its young is called bunny. And the last one is cat and kitten. Cat is the adult and its young is called kitten. We also learned about adjective. Do you still remember what is adjective? What is adjective? Adjectives are words describing appearances, colors, sizes, shapes, sounds, and numbers. For examples, pretty, cantik. Cute, comel. Big, besar. Small, kecil. That's the end of our revision. For tutorial, complete Activity 1 and Activity 3 on page 102. Here are the activities. Activity 1. And Activity 3. That's all. Bye.